The wildfires in Southern California have put a spotlight on the home insurance industry. And tonight, companies are being confronted with massive new claims. At a time, some insurers have reportedly agreed to sell new policies in those fire-prone areas. New at 6:30, KTVU's Tom Vakar reports.
Sam and Allegra Rubin lived in this Pacific Palisades home for 34 years. The first wave of the Palisades fire missed it. The second wave incinerated it. Yet Sam and Allegra feel very, very lucky.
I feel fortunate that I have insurance, and my insurance was supposed to cancel on February 1st. Fortunately, it didn't, and I was out shopping for other policies that would have satisfied my lender.
Weiss Ratings, a well-respected company that grades and rates insurance companies, says Farmers Insurance and USAA denied payment on almost half of the claims they received in 2023. Insurers object, saying the rating company's data overinflates the number of unpaid claims since some claims are under the deductible, or that the policy does not cover such claims. But the LA Times quotes the rating company CEO saying, "It's not fair for me to say all these rejected claims were legitimate, but it's equally unfair for insurance companies to claim they're all illegitimate." Consumer Watchdog President Jamie Court says this.
I think it's really troubling when you have two companies that are paying only 50% of the claims that are submitted. The industry standard is 37%. That's not very good either. But over the course of time, these two companies have consistently paid much less than the other companies, 12, 13%.
Ann Mitchell lost her Altadena home as well as a small jewelry shop. Her private insurer had canceled her a while back and forced her to find an alternative.
I have a new insurance agent. She said, you just have to do Fair Plan because it's the only thing available.
I just don't really see just with prices that I'll be able to rebuild the house in a similar way.
The Insurance Journal, a trade magazine, reports that the California Fair Plan has $377 million to pay claims, plus $5.75 billion in insurance it bought to cover mass disasters. Now, if that's true, the Fair Plan has just over $6 billion to pay claims. The Los Angeles fires alone could cost $8 billion, to say nothing of the rest of the state. But does it really have that much?
I've seen what the analysts say about those contracts, and if you add it all up, it's only $2.5 billion that they have access to without spending their own money.
If insurers have to make up the difference for this and future fires, Consumer Watchdog says the insurance commissioner wrote a memo saying it's okay to pass on that to all of the other policyholders.
It's like a battlefield without the bodies.
Tom Vakar, KTVU, Fox 2 News.